allowed to laugh at me, it's fine, because I'm annoying. I'm Jessica Carey, and I'm the founder of Hook Nook. I've been crocheting for about 9 years now, and I started when my daughter was a baby because I wanted to make her things and like have her grow up with like handmade things that I made her, and I taught myself how to crochet from YouTube and made her those things, and she still has them. Her favorite thing that I've made her is this stuffed animal unicorn that I gave to her at Christmas when she was 3 or 4. It started out as a way for me to make things for my daughter. I was usually by myself while the kids were at school or in bed, and so that time where I'm crocheting turned into this like safe space where my hands are busy, but it frees up my brain to explore. I love being able to create for myself because it's a form of self-care for me, and so I'm able to just spend time with myself and have ideas and see them come to fruition, and then end up feeling proud of myself in the end, and then having this thing that I made that I can either use for myself or give it as a gift. To me, a maker is someone who chooses to teach themselves a new craft. They are making something of some sort and sharing it with others, and then the collection of all of those individual makers makes that maker community. And what's special about our maker community is that everyone is so apt to lift each other up and to encourage one another and support one another. So many new people are coming into the fiber arts, and it's really exciting. I feel like the fiber arts community is lacking in just beautiful tools and materials. When I first had the idea to make a product, I really wanted to make the yarn passport, a journal of sorts where I could keep little fabric pieces of my yarn and like have this textural just like scrapbook. Being able to partner with American Crafts not only allowed me to create the one product that I felt would be really beneficial to our community, but they also helped me create more than just the one product. I was able to make brand new crochet hooks that have never been on the market in the craft stores. Like, the shape is just so scientifically like amazing. I'm so proud of it. And then all of the hooks and all the different kinds of yarn. I feel really proud to be able to work with American Crafts and allow my full vision for the community to come full circle. Crochet has given me a completely different view of life. It's allowed me to see myself differently. It's allowed me to see others differently. It's allowed me to share myself with others in different ways, in ways that I wasn't able to before, in more genuine and authentic ways. Crochet has been the reason I am who I am today.